Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. Are you ready? I don't know if you're ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Here we go. First of all, you all know how much I love my Flip-Its, right? I love my Flip-Its. Well, there's one in particular that I really love, and that's the large circle, because there's so many options on what to put on the inside. And we just released a new one. Are you ready? I'm going to show it to you, and it's not going to look like anything. Huh? What? Okay, let me show you the real version. Here we go. Happy Winter. And it has these cute little snowflakes on it. Isn't that cute? And look, it fits perfect on there. But do you have to use the snowflakes? No, you do not. Are you ready? I'm sorry, do you have to use a Flip-It? Well, here's another Flip-It with a hidden panel. But do you have to put it on a Flip-It? No, you do not. You could put it in the flower drop-in if you want to. What? I know. Or you could just use it as a regular card front. So many different options. Here's another one with it just on a card front turned into a shaker card. Isn't that awesome? I know, so versatile. And you know what? The prices cannot be beat, right? And you want me to tell you a secret? The first 24 hours it's on the website, it's on flash sale or until sold out. Now, we are also releasing a stamp set. So let me explain this one to you. I was using our Snowman Fold It. Here's an example, our Snowman Fold It. And I was having all this fun with him, and I wanted some stamps that matched. And I couldn't really find some, so I made some because I only make what I want to use. And here we go. So this is called Snowman Stamps, hence the name. Feeling frosty and fabulous, snowman hugs and winter kisses. When life gives you snow, make a snowman. I'm snow happy for you. Some little snowflakes. A cute little snowman on there for the back of your card. It's freezing season. Let it snow. Your snow cute and warm winter wishes. So all of your snowmen Fold-Its or snowman dies or stamps or winter anything, you can use these stamps because this is a sneak peek. Ooh, fun. There we go. Thank you so much. Yes, these items are on flash sale. The first 24 hours are on our website. Make sure you go check them out ASAP because you know what? You are going to love them. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.